TCL Mini LED 4K TV C825.
Dear viewers, today I'm coming with something new that going to unboxing today. It is TCL C825, India's first mini LED QLED 4K TV. To make this unboxing successful, I would like to call Mr. Suresh, our technical support manager, is here.
Hi viewers.
I don't want to waste your time. We'll do unboxing the TV and we'll check what is there in the box. The packaging of the television is very good. Now I'm going to open this television. So just we have opened the box and we are removing the thermocols. So inside the thermocol we have a very strong metallic stand, central stand, and we have accessories kit along with the box. I'm going to remove one by one. One power cable, one AV input cable, and this is the camera. It's look like pretty good, and screws for the tabletop and one remote controller. So see, this is protector for the screen and TCL made very good protector, so it is avoid to damage the screens, and side thermocols. And now we are going to remove the TV. See, TCL has given holding scrubber in the side of the television to avoid damage the screen, and the TVs look like pretty good. So now we are going to make table stand of the C825 TV. So along with the box, you got this screen protector. So I'm going to place this here to make this tabletop successful. So now me and Suresh are going to place the TV above that screen protector. So we are placing like this. So as I said, along with the box, we got a metal stand. See, central stand, metallic stand with very good product quality. And along with the accessories kit, I will get 4 screws. I have 4 screws in this, so I'm going to make tabletop now. So it is very easy to make tabletop because it has only 4 screws. Okay, the tabletop is done. Now we are going to place this TV in table. So I am removing this screen protector. So tabletop is ready. So before you start the TV, you need to remove this screen protector because this is given for screen protector where the installation time the technician have to hold here or customer need to hold here. By the time this will protect your screen from the damages. So you need to remove this screen protectors. Now I'm going to show you what are the accessories comes inside the box unit. As I said already, we tabletopped here. This central stand comes along with the box unit and 4 screws and one remote controller with the hotkeys of Netflix, ZEE5, TCL channel and Prime Video. So remote also it's look like pretty good, and one power cable and one AV in cable. This TV comes with complete metallic body, complete full screen design. in backside of the TV where you can find manual operation button and hands-free voice control 2.0, the activation button. And while I'm talking about input of this television, you can see here digital audio out, headphone jack, AV adapter, USB 2.0, Ethernet cable in, 4 HDMIs and 1 LAN cable and 2 USB ports. So these are the inputs coming along with this television. In backside we have given separate port to place the camera where you can see here. So this is the port. I'm going to remove that now. So you can just remove by your hand like this. This is just a cap to protect your camera port. So this is TCL camera, comes along with the box itself. So this is back posture and this is front posture. This is the down one. So I'm going to place the camera like this. Dear viewers, I hope everyone liked this unboxing video. If you need more information about our products, please visit our official website, the link given in the description. Also, please subscribe our channel to get to know about our new videos. That's it from my end. Ganapati and Suresh from TCL.